Here's a curious C++ bug. I have this part1 function that uses C++20 ranges. So I have this range composite, and I have a first transform and a second transform. And the second transform uses a lambda with a static internal state here, storing the previous value of this stream of integers going through here. And in my head, this should be re-instantiated each time I call this function, because it's a local variable, so it's auto depth this one, pipe to this one, pipe to this one. So I imagined all these lambdas got re-instantiated each time I call this, but I can verify that this static here is not. So if I run this, it was already running, but I run it again. And hopefully the font is big enough so you can see the output here. No, you can't see that. One moment. Okay, so the first time I log here the previous and the current. So here it's initiated to 0. But the second time I run it, the previous initiates to 263, and that's the last one from the previous run. So if you have any idea on why this is so, please leave a comment below. I'm going to fix this now by capturing this outside, because if I move it here, make it static to the function. Oh no, I get it now. This is static to the function. This is not on the stack. This was a dangerous one. Okay, you learn as you go. So what we have to do is actually, I have to put it here. So if I do that, then it's on the stack, and then I remove this one. So I can't have it there, but I have to capture it, so I capture it as like this. And now if I run it, everything should be okay. Yes? Yes. Look, now it works. Now it's initialized to 0 each time. Okay, a little small C++ trap there. And well, if you have, thank you for watching, and I see you next time.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.